In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Calendar with HubSpot. By the end, your Google Calendar will be linked to HubSpot, so you can schedule and track meetings more easily right inside your CRM. Start by opening your browser and heading to your preferred search engine. Type HubSpot and open the official HubSpot site. Log into your HubSpot account with your usual credentials. If you use multiple accounts or have different workspaces, make sure you're in the correct portal before moving on. Also, if you don't see certain options later, you may need admin permissions or access to the app marketplace, so keep that in mind. Once you're in HubSpot, look to the top of the screen for the marketplace icon. It typically looks like a small store or grid. Click it to open the app marketplace. This is where HubSpot lists official integrations you can safely add to your portal. In the marketplace, use the search bar and type Google Calendar. Take a moment to confirm you're selecting the Google Calendar integration provided by HubSpot or a trusted provider. Opening the listing will show you a description of what it syncs, common use cases, and the permissions it needs. This is helpful if you're curious about exactly what data will be accessed. Next, click the option to install. HubSpot will guide you through a short setup flow. You'll likely see a confirmation screen, so click Install again to proceed. If this is your first time connecting Google services to HubSpot in this portal, you'll be prompted to sign in to your Google account. Choose the correct Google account, the one that holds the calendar you want to sync. When Google presents the permissions screen, review them and allow access. If you use a company-managed Google Workspace, your admin may need to approve this connection, so watch for any organization prompts. After Google confirms access, you'll return to HubSpot to finish. Look for the Save option to confirm your choices. Clicking Save finalizes the connection and activates the integration. If you're asked which calendar to use, pick your primary work calendar so meetings created from HubSpot align with your availability. If you don't see changes immediately, give it a moment. Background syncs can take a short time, and pop-up blockers can occasionally delay prompts during installation, so disable those if necessary. That's all it takes. You searched for HubSpot, logged in, opened the marketplace, found Google Calendar, installed the integration, confirmed the install, and saved your settings. Your Google Calendar is now connected to HubSpot, making it easier to schedule and keep everything in sync.